So my name is Dr. Dikshita and I am basically from Chennai. I'm just preparing for my AMC at the moment and I've not been going to work for the past 6 months. The session was very wonderful. Dr. K.P Balan was extremely sweet. She answered to all our questions. I found it very informative. Okay, I joined pretty much very recently and I just heard it actually I saw it on Instagram and I was talking about it to one of my interns, colleagues actually, and he said that he would actually, recommend Go Campus, and that's how I came to know about it. I would definitely, yes, I would definitely recommend Go Campus. They're very trustable, they're very open, they're very reliable people. Actually, they communicate very well with all my queries. They answer to all my queries, and they talk to me at any time I contact them.